Shall we play one game? That is riddles. I will tell you one question in each and you should answer. That is a puzzle game. Riddles. Shall we start? Give time to you. No problem, no worries. If you want more time, just pause the video, okay?
He'll be set free and get the treasure. The first cookie will turn John into an animal. The second cookie will make him a giant. The last one will make him invisible. Which one should he eat?
Carefully, which is the answer? The answer is he should eat the first cookie because the first cookie leads him to the treasure and he will be safe there only.
The first one. He can turn into a hamster and squeeze through the bars. That's how he'll get out and win the gold.